Welcome everyone, here's how you lock the screen on your iPhone while playing PUBG Mobile, PUBG New State or any future PUBG game. So open up the settings app, then you're going to find accessibility. If this doesn't show up here, okay, if it does not show up, tap on general, then accessibility. Then you want to find where it says guided access, tap on this one, and then tap on the toggle to turn it on. Accessibility shortcuts, if this is on, just turn it off, then back on. Then go back to accessibility shortcut, find guided access and just slide it to the very top. If any option here is ticked, untick that option. Then you want to find where touch is. You're going to find assistive touch. Make sure assistive touch is turned off. Single tap, double tap, long press is turned off. And then on customize top level menu, remove all the icons here until you have one icon left. Assistive touch may cause issues with guided access being activated, okay? So that's why you had to do all that extra stuff. It doesn't affect all people, it doesn't affect me personally, but in my comment section, a lot of people have been complaining, and that is the issue if guided access isn't going to work. So the next step is we open up PUBG, and if you don't have a home button, you're going to triple click the power button, okay? Click, click, click. If you do have a home button, triple click the home button, and then we're brought into guided access. So tap on options. Make sure touch is enabled, and keyboard, if you want that enabled, enable it. Motion, we can turn this one off. Volume buttons we can turn off. Side button we can turn off, and make sure there's no time limit. So once you tap on done and start, you'll be asked to enter in a passcode for guided access. This is one you create. Just use the same passcode as on your device, or use 0000111. Now from here, we're in PUBG. If I slide down, nothing's going to happen, okay? I'm sliding down, I'm sliding everywhere, okay? Oh, I clicked on the volume button, it doesn't matter because nothing's going to happen, okay? Literally nothing will happen. You can see it is registering my touches still, but I'm not activating control center, notification center. It really is that easy. Now, when you want to get out of guided access, you do the same action, either triple click power or home button, enter in that passcode you created earlier, tap on end, and you're good to go. When you want to restart, triple click power or home, and you are good to go. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.